Hello everyone and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. Today we are going to be talking about the Hebrew alphabet. This crash course is designed for complete beginners who want to quickly learn the alphabet from scratch, or Hebrew students who are already familiar with the alphabet and need to refresh their memory. In this crash course, I will show you each letter, the matching English letter, word pronunciation examples, transliteration, and translation. I will also show you some special use cases for the letters. In addition, at the end of this course, we will read some words together so we can be sure you understand the sound of the consonants. This is going to be an intensive and consonantal sound-oriented course. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. The red question mark you will see during the course indicates additional material you can find in the description below. During the course, if you feel like you lose track of the letters, use this progress indicator at the bottom of the page. That's it for this introduction. Let's start learning the Hebrew alphabet.